guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a mech and build a beautiful treasure. So first, you're gonna need way more than 2,000 blocks. So it's easy. Just go to.
You don't need that many blocks.
Well, yeah, you don't need that many blocks, but that's just for making the big ones. I'll show you in my next video how to make small ones. But you need more than 2,000 blocks to make a big one. It depends on. I'm sure, but for the mech I'm making, you need 2,000 blocks or more than 2,000 blocks. So first you want to make the feet. Make sure they're the same size. Because it would just make it look weird. And then just extend them as far as you want it to be. This isn't like my other mix because it's gonna. I might save it because I'm planning on making way detail. Like way detailed though. Like way more detailed. Anyway, actually, no, I might not actually have any choice of this yet. It's gonna do some boop. Oh.
Okay. Normal. Oh wait, I need to get
Oh, also Nathan's in this video.
I need to okay. I need to get something. Ooh.
So after you do that, just do this,
I need a couple more money.
and then boop, and then doop. No, Nathan, you should make a video on Buildable of how to make a Mac.
Why? It's pretty simple.
Well, I mean, because for people who don't know, like I did. Oh well. I'm just making a Mac. No?
Need to add this in.
Okay, so after doing that, you want to go to chest. Then just do that.
Get all your stuff done because Sunday we're gonna go do something. Right? That's why we didn't do anything last Sunday because I stayed home so I wanted to do homework.
Oh, new clown stage.
Wait, what?
New stage.
Clown?
Hmm?
By the way, you wanna know how to do that?
So guys, you use as many blocks as you can.
Nathan, can I erase your dogs?
No.
Come on, dude, I need some room.
Fine.
So guys, you guys want to have, if you guys want to have a fight, you could maybe use a sword, but it doesn't do as much damage as if you have like a gun or something like that. So for this make, I'm actually not gonna use this, but you should make it if you have to make it if you're gonna make both arms move. I'm not making both arms move this time. I'm just only making this one move. So after that, you just do that. Oh, let me just use this and that. Then you can just break like that. Do this. This is how I like making my arms, but you guys can always make it an entirely different way. Nathan, you know what, Nathan? I should tell them to go to your channel. And you should make like a video of how to make small mechs. Should you? I mean, it depends if you want to. Do you want to do that, Nathan? Or do not? Nathan.
Wait, what?
I said, do you want to make like a video of how to make small mechs, or do you want me to do that?
It's pretty simple.
Yeah, but they need, just in case if they don't know, Nathan.
Then they just have to watch the video you're doing.
Yeah, but that's only to make big ones. Yeah.
Then just tell them that you gotta make it a little smaller.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys. If you guys didn't hear Nathan, just make it smaller, and then you just have a small mech. But just, I'm making a big one because I'm more of a big mech type guy.
Should I show them my fatty neck?
Yes. After this mech, I'm gonna show them my Fabi mech.
Will they approve is the question.
Yes, nani. Oh. You know how to do this with your swords? But I just like doing it just to make. I just make it. I think it makes it look cool.
Two titanium poles.
E.
Well, just do your own mode. Write it right now, and you can respond back to it, and you can see that.
Oops.
That's your question. Just do whatever you want.
Okay. You call them if you want. I'm personally going to call them, but you guys don't have to. I just like calling them. I don't know why. I mean, sometimes I like calling them, right, Nathan?
Wait, what?
You know, like sometimes I like calling my mech.
You like calling your mech?
Like sometimes I like to call my mech, right, Nathan?
Yeah, I can.
Like sometimes I do that, right, Nathan?
Yeah.
You can just do what copy on what you did to that one. So I'm basically showing you guys how to make a bazooka part or like an arm cannon part. Kinda, I guess. I mean, this is how what I think it's gonna look like. Or look. Just loop and then. And it's gonna be alright.
A pilot chair is next, okay. Bam.
Okay, but Nathan, I think maybe you should show them how the heck to make the thing that you're making. Maybe. So, do you think you should, Nathan?
Should I?
I mean, I think you should.
Okay, that goes there.
Oh, this video is 8 minutes long.
I need, you need a little Robux.
Yes, you need Robux.
Robux.
Yes.
I'm not lying, you actually do.
I know you're not lying.
Because you need the super cluster. And also you need cobblestone, and it just happens I just enough of sure. There's no way. I actually just had the perfect.
But David, do you know how to, like, to make rockets in this game? Like something that you can like shoot out of like a cannon or something like that?
Rockets? No, we don't.
Okay, then I'm gonna watch a video on that. Tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do that. E. E, and then boom. Boom.
satchel?
Well,
Okay, you're here.
well, you thought I died?
Yeah, I thought you did.
Oh, but then yes, I am dead. Take care, I will never die. You can't kill me. I'm the gingerbread man. Okay. Oh, this video is 10 minutes long. I haven't even gone to the head. Anyways, this is okay. So I'm just gonna save the mech, keep the mech like this for now until I learn how to make a cannon. But I think I might know how to make a cannon, maybe. I mean, I think you might need to use magnets for sure, maybe, probably, most likely, yeah. My mech is gonna be like kind of like a mutant, like something happened to like his jaw. Yeah. Ah,
Okay, I'm gonna test out the grinder. Test this out, satchel.
even tell me if it works.
It's not working.
Yeah, you should probably watch the YouTuber guy.
I need to load it back in. I did something wrong. I know what I did wrong.
What?
Oh my god. Okay, I pretty much have to redo it now. Is that a big rip?
Yes.
Dude, now I have to literally redo it.
Oof.
I hate this so much. I have to redo it.
So then why are you even doing it if you hate it so much?
I want the gold.
Of course you do, Nathan. Of course you do. Why wouldn't you want the gold? You guys don't have to use the portal, but I'm just want to use the portal. I like to use my max control portal as a head. Yeah.
Portal's way easier.
Yeah. And that's how you do it. You can add like the other stuff to do here. Tomorrow I'll show you guys how the heck to make a cannon. You guys don't have to. You guys don't absolutely have to use a toy for just to know. It's just a quicker way. If I need Robux, you might. No, you don't need Robux. I think maybe, maybe not. Anyway, guys, that's it, and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.